Hello friend, welcome to MSM Tech Solution. Today we will learn programming language C++. First of all, we will open our compiler. I use dev C++ new version. Step 1, write header files. I will add comments in program so you can understand. Step 2, I am writing header files # include EO stream. Step 3, now I will write using namespace std, which is necessary in modern compilers. Step 4, now I will write main function, which is the starting point of any program. Now I will write statements between these two commas. We can write anything. For example, I will write welcome to C++. I'd here /t tells compiler to add backspace. Step 6, now I will write this line here /n is used for new lines. Will run this program. Step 8, as you can see, program is successfully run, and here our statements are displayed in console. Dear friend, I hope you like this video. Subscribe our channel MSM Tech Solution for more videos. Press bell icon. Thanks for watching.